Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to change your Apple ID password in a simple method or simple step using your iPhone. And guys, this method is for those who already have an iPhone and they want to change their Apple ID password. Or people without an iPhone, if they want to change their Apple ID password, for them there will be a separate video. Just follow. Okay. For now, let's change your Apple ID password using an iPhone itself. So here, start the method. So your first step, go to your settings. Okay, open settings. In settings, go to your profile. So basically open your profile and here there will be a password and security option. Open that. Once you open passwords and security option, the first option will be change password. That is your Apple ID password itself. Okay, just tap on your change password and here it will ask for your passcode or a password. Okay, just enter your mobile passcode. Once you do that, it will give you option to enter your new password and verify new password. Yes guys, that's it. It's a very simple method. Okay, by using your current iPhone, you can change your Apple ID password without logging into your Apple ID accounts with a browser or something like that. I hope this quick and easy method helped you and you liked it. If you liked it, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions and iPhone customization. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.